Nila, come and have your breakfast. Yes, Mom. Here's my favorite breakfast today. Of course, dear. Your favorite pongal. Oh, so sweet of you, Mom. Mom, can you say what are the ingredients you added in this dish? Crops like rice, pepper, cumin, moong dal, and so on. Oh, okay, Mom. From where do we get these different crops? Nila, we get all these crops by agriculture done by our farmers. Can you explain me more about this, Mom? Sure, baby. First of all, you should know about agriculture. Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops, and raising livestock. It has become a necessity for the humans and it also leads to the development of human civilization.
Farmers in India. Children, can you say who is a farmer? Yes, a farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. India is a land of farmers. It is called so because majority of Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agricultural activities. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. There are several types of farming, namely subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. Crops are cultivated and used only for own family consumption. Such type of farming is called subsistence farming. This method of farming is generally ancient. The crops which are cultivated for commercial use and sold in markets is called commercial farming. This method of farming is done by using modern tools and techniques. Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. Example, tea, coffee, and rubber. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. Water resource for agriculture. Tamil Nadu depends on northeast and southwest monsoon. Hence, agriculture in Tamil Nadu is dependent on groundwater. The process of supplying of water to a land or crops for the purpose of agricultural production is called irrigation. There are different types of irrigation. First one is well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Second one is canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India, such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Bihar. Sprinkler irrigation. It is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. Last one is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that saves water and soil nutrients. In this system, water drips slowly into the roots of plants through pipes. Pipes can be either above the soil surface or buried below the surface. So the water directly reaches the roots and minimizes evaporation. Important crops in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall, and weather across its district. Therefore, the principal food crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, ragi, pulses, etc. Paddy is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. Therefore, Tanjavur is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. The cash crops include sugarcane, oilseeds, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, gingerly, chilies, and cotton. Therefore, Coimbatore is the largest cotton producing district in Tamil Nadu. It is known as the Manchester of South India. Horticulture is the fastest growing sector within agriculture in Tamil Nadu. What do you mean by horticulture? Horticulture is the science or art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers, or ornamental plants. The leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu are mango and banana. The main flowers grown in Tamil Nadu are jasmine, chrysanthemum, marigold, and rose. So, India is an agricultural country. 1/3 of our nation's income comes from agriculture. In order to promote our economy, we should promote agriculture and support farmers. Thank you.